Names of nations. We are wrapping up our three-part series on the names of nations. Okay, we did we did Europe. We've done Oceania. We've done Africa and Asia, and now we're wrapping up with South America and North America. Okay, so I will not keep you waiting. Let's go. First one, South America. South America. We're started. Here we go. Paraguay. 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 Okay. Next one. Brazil. 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 Yeah, I got a lot of students from Brazil, right? Shouts out, how y'all doing out there in Brazil? Colombia, Colombia, Colombia. Students out there in Colombia too. Comment below. Argentina, Argentina, Argentina. All right, Argentina. Chile, Chile, Chile. I got students in Chile too. Yeah. How y'all doing out there? Venezuela, Venezuela, Venezuela. All right. Here we go. Peru, Peru, Peru. That's how I pronounce it, Peru. I think Peru is also one way. Here we go. Uruguay, Uruguay, Uruguay. Okay? Uruguay. Okay? All right. Next one. Okay. Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago. Yeah, I'd like to go there. Sounds nice. Here we go. Mexico. 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 All right. Let's go. Guatemala. 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 We're already in North America, so here we go. Mexico. North America, right? Interesting, huh? Grenada. Some people say Grenada. I say Grenada, okay? I say Grenada, you say Grenada, okay? I'm going to say Grenada, okay? Grenada. Yeah. And Jamaica. 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 Yeah? I know some people out there in Jamaica. Have some students out there. North America, continuing on. Canada. Canada. Canada, right? North America, of course. North America, going to blow you away. Cuba is in North America. Did you know that? Cuba, Cuba, Cuba. Right. Another one. This one, North America. Maybe you didn't know it. Bahamas. The Bahamas. The Bahamas. I want to go to the Bahamas. All right. Just review one time. Maybe you might have been thrown off by one of those countries that you found out isn't actually in North America. Yeah, Mexico. It's categorized to be in North America. That's interesting, right? But that's the way it goes. All right. If you're South America, you're actually North American. All right. Okay. And we forgot one. I wonder what that one is. I'm thinking, can I wonder what it may be? Boom! USA, baby. United States of America. All right? You can call USA. You could say, some people say America. That's kind of general, you know, but also United States of America. Also the US. All right? Just throwing out, putting out the flag. All right. Putting out the flag one more time. Okay. All right. Okay. That is our three-part series on the names of nations. I hope you enjoyed it. We're back again with another topic. Don't worry. Until then, take care. Love all the countries. Let's all get along. It's all peace, all love, and good. Take care. Bye-bye. Students, I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.